Hey guys, I'm Rachel and I'm twin mom to 2-year-old boys Connor and Owen, and today I want to share with you my occupational therapy experience. If you're not familiar, occupational therapy can support a child's development in gross and fine motor skills, balance and coordination, behavioral and social skills, and so much more. If you watched my previous video on our speech therapy experience, you would know that my son Connor was referred to a speech therapist at around 18 months because he was a little bit delayed in some of his language milestones. After a few sessions with our speech therapist, she also recommended that we look into occupational therapy to support Connor in his communication and his play skills. Some of the concerns that prompted this were things like he wasn't making eye contact when you spoke to him, or he wasn't really responding to his name when you called to him. Other things that we noticed was he was really obsessed with texture, rolling around on the carpet or really playing with his food when he was eating it, and also his preference to play independently a lot of the time. These things were also observed by our speech therapist during our sessions. Our first interaction with our OT was over the phone. She asked me a lot of questions around the level of Connor's skills and activities. She asked things like what he liked to eat or how he preferred to eat. She asked what hygiene activities could he do independently, what toys did he like to play with, and then she kind of got into more specifics about our concerns. Once she was able to get a sense of our situation, she immediately was able to provide some resources and tools that we could implement right away. And a lot of these overlapped with what we were getting from our speech therapist. She also gave us some questionnaires to complete before our next appointment, which was going to be in person. From that first over-the-phone appointment, I had already learned so much and was so excited to share that with my husband, my parents, the daycare, because consistency was key when supporting Connor in his development. Our first in-person appointment was really great. We met in a small office that was done up like a little playroom. She had a few toys put out for Connor. She played with him, or she observed me playing with him and just really watched how he interacted and how he played. By watching how he played and interacted, she was able to have more insight and identify any gaps in Connor's skills and how we could best support him. So far, OT has been such a great experience for us and such a great resource of support. For example, we learned that Connor is a sensory seeker, meaning he craves more sensory stimulation or visual input. We've learned that we can help support him by giving him some sensory activities throughout the day, as well as giving him more visual input like playing with brightly colored items or anything with a light feature. And really being consistent by giving him these options for 3 to 4 minutes around 3 to 4 times a day. I look forward to working with our OT more and finding out more about how we can support Connor and his development. And I definitely would recommend reaching out to an occupational therapist or talking to your doctor about a referral if you have any concerns about your child's development, whether it's big or small. We are all trying to do what's best for our kids, even if that means asking for professional help. Hope you guys enjoyed listening to our experience. Let me know any of your OT experiences or questions in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!